is my fourth lesson and I'm still addressing the topic of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. We already have discussed how we could identify them, what are their structure and functions. Now today's video lesson is all about why they matter, what are their significance to us. Today we will learn about their applications. Welcome to my YouTube channel and let's begin with the details of each cells and their effectiveness in making them excellent candidates for various fields such as medicine, biotechnology, and industry. In GCSE Biology, students often learn and memorize their structure and definitions, but they struggle to explain why different cells actually matters. Therefore, in this video, we are going to explore together how prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells are used in real life. Exactly the kind of applications AQA loves to test you for. Prokaryotic cells such as bacteria are simple and reproduce quickly, but this makes them incredibly useful. Therefore, bacteria are used in food production like making yogurt, cheese, and vinegar through the process of fermentation. Eukaryotic cells, being more complex, allows them to carry out specialized processes. Therefore, yeast cells, which are fungi, are used to make bread, beer, and wine. In the field of medicine, bacteria are easy to genetically modified, but their simple structure limits what proteins they could produce naturally. Therefore, genetically modified bacteria are only employed and used to produce insulin, growth hormones, and some kind of vaccines. Eukaryotic cells are closer to human cells. Human model can be studied by growing them and by studying them. Therefore, animal cells are used to test drugs and plant cells are used to produce certain medicines. While going through biotechnology, as we know, bacteria contain plasmids. What are plasmids? Plasmids are circular fragments of DNA which eukaryotic cells do not have. Therefore, bacteria are of great significance and widely used in genetic engineering. On the other hand, eukaryotic cells are more complex and are utilized differently. Proteins that bacteria cannot produce correctly can be used through eukaryotic cells. Bacteria play a major role in waste treatment, but they are not the only decomposers. Therefore, bacteria break down waste in sewage treatment plants, while fungi decompose organic matter in the soil. Environmental sciences also employ bacteria, where they can break down harmful substances within the soil, but plants can remove pollutants in a different way, where they can absorb the pollutants and destroy them from the soil. Therefore, bacteria are used in bioremediation, while plants are used in phytoremediation. In agricultural field, bacteria improve soil quality and plants provide the actual food supply. Therefore, nitrobacter or nitrogen-fixing bacteria increase soil fertility, while plant cells form crops used for food and animal feed. Scientists have employed bacteria in research because they grow rapidly, but eukaryotic cells are needed to study complex systems. Therefore, bacteria are used in genetic studies, while animal and plant cells help scientists to understand disease and the processes of development. Even energy production depends on cells, but different cells provide energy in different ways. Therefore, bacteria are used in biogas production, while plants are employed to make biofuels such as bioethanol. GCSE Biology isn't just about remembering facts, but also about applying this knowledge and gaining maximum marks for their examinations. Keep tuned with my channel. I will keep posting the videos about GCSE Biology exam preparation. Keep tuned and thank you for listening. Thank you very much.